So what's going on, guys? In this video I'm going to show you how to download Google Chrome on your PC. But before I start, make sure to give it a like, and also if you have some problems, if you have some questions, comment down below the video in the comments and I will try to respond. And yeah, let's move on. Let's show you how to download Google Chrome. So search in this browser that Microsoft offers you in the beginning when you get the Windows. Just search for Google Chrome here as me and click the first link, and then yeah, this is the official site of Google Chrome. Just click here on download Chrome, and now as you can see it's downloading. Just click here, open file, and then click here on run. Wait a few seconds till it's downloading. Yeah, actually this is working on 100% on every PC, I think. If it's not working, maybe you have some problems. Maybe it's because the region, or is for some other reason, I don't know about it. And yeah, I think it's done. Just need to install. Yeah, and now installation is complete. When you close it, as you can see, now it's working. But I already installed it, so it's working on 100%. But this is how to download, I mean, Google Chrome on your PC. And if I have you out, make sure to give it a like, and also if you have some questions, as I said, comment down below the video in the comments and I will try to respond. And see you next video. Bye.